Hi, I'm Fareed with Cargas. Since the release of Cargas Energy, our software has grown to be the leading choice of forward-thinking fuel delivery companies all across the country. But one of the areas that we've never stopped innovating in is in our bread and butter part of the software, the delivery module. In 2023 alone, we have released over 25 different features related to the delivery module. So in this video, I want to share with you all my personal top 5 delivery-related enhancement or features that we released in 2023. Now, it's totally subjective, I know, but it should be fun anyway. Let's get right into it. Now, the delivery center is one of the most essential or important screen in the entirety of Cargas Energy. Think of it like a command center for your delivery dispatcher. In this screen, your dispatcher can view all the outstanding tickets that need to be delivered to, view them on a map, plot them, create routes for the drivers, and then dispatch them to their devices. And then they can sit back and see magic happens as the deliveries are being done in real time. And this year, we released a major enhancement to this screen by integrating a live dashboard right in the front page of the delivery center. This dashboard displays some of the key metrics that your dispatcher might care about, such as at-risk deliveries, runouts, or zero-gallon deliveries. It also breaks down all your outstanding deliveries by their statuses. And lastly, it displays all the follow-up notes that your drivers have entered throughout the day. So my favorite part about this dashboard is that as a dispatcher, not only can I quickly see some of the metrics that I care about, but I can actually click on each of this tile and see the underlying deliveries that make up that tile. So let's say there is a runout delivery. I can click on the tile and see which delivery it was. And then I can see maybe the K factor was the problem, and I can make all the adjustments that I need to make quickly. And that's really cool. Some of the questions that we always ask ourselves as we're designing our features is this, like, how do we get faster? How do we make it more efficient for our users? And so to answer this question better, we actually sent one of our product managers on site to hop into a truck with one of our clients' drivers and just follow him throughout the day and see where can we make improvements, where can we gain efficiency. And what we've discovered was that there is an area of improvement that we can make in the area of ticket printing. You see, prior to this change, when a driver completes his ticket, he would have to go back to the truck and then enter the percentage full to indicate how much of that tank was full before the delivery was officially completed and the ticket is printing. And then he would have to grab that ticket, go down from the truck, leave the ticket with the customer, and then go back to the truck, climb in again before he can drive away. So there's a couple times where he had to go in and out of the trucks before he complete each delivery. And we think, why don't we do something here to make this more efficient? Can we streamline this? So our team got together and we make this really simple tweak. And when it's enabled, basically, as soon as the delivery is completed, the ticket begins to print right away without needing the driver to press any button in the mobile device. That way, the driver can walk into the truck without climbing in and just grab the ticket, leave it with the customers, and then walk it back into the truck and climb in only one time before driving away. Now, by this time, you might be asking the question, now, Fareed, what do you mean this is your top 5 feature or enhancements for the year? This is such a small change.
Hey, nobody cares. Nobody cares.
But actually, this one tiny change has large consequences. By eliminating one climb per delivery, let's say it's in winter and you're doing 25, 30 deliveries, this quickly adds up. And so I love it. I love that this small change has big ripples of effect in terms of efficiency, and not to mention the additional safety risks that are being enhanced by reducing the amount of times that the driver needs to go in and out of the truck for each delivery. So that's why it made my list. Now this is one of those how do we get better or how do we get quicker kind of enhancement. When we talk about creating a route, the essential part of that, or dare I say the most fun part about that, is to be able to see all the outstanding tickets visually on a map. We call it plotting. And then you can kind of zone in on an area and then figure out how do you create the most efficient route? Which deliveries do I want to include in this route? Which deliveries do I want to defer to a future route? Who do I assign these routes to? All that stuff. The reality is, before you can get to that fun part, There's all these precursory things that you have to do to set up the route, like what's the origin, what's the destination, what's the name of the route, what device and driver am I assigning this route to. And what we found is that a lot of these information can be repetitive because the dispatcher would often name them with the same naming convention and just change the date, for example. A dispatcher might also be doing this all at once during a certain time interval. For example, he would do it once a week and he would set up all his routes for the week. And as you can imagine, this will mean that there's like hundreds of these things that you have to set up all at once before you can go into each one and actually do the fun part. With the release of the delivery route template feature, we have streamlined this mundane, repetitive route creation process for your dispatcher. Basically, the way it works is you can create these templates and then you can create a schedule, let's say weekly or daily, in which the system will take these templates and then generate this shell for the routes automatically for your dispatcher. And that way your dispatcher can just go in there and start doing the things that really matter, which is plotting the deliveries. So one of my favorite releases this year is the redesign of the tank monitoring module. And not only do we have a brand new tank monitor screen with better filtering and an easier way to see and organize your tank monitors, we actually also redesigned the fundamental way tank monitors work in the system. Let me explain. So prior to this change, a tank monitor has to be attached to what we call a will call tank. Now with this change, a tank monitor can be attached to any type of tank, including automatic. So what that means is that these automatic monitored tanks will still be coming up in the nightly projection. Then it also reads the data coming back from the tank monitor and updates the projection with the real-time numbers that's coming back from these monitors. So the result is that you have a super accurate projection and you can have more confidence in the numbers that the system is projecting the deliveries to be. Now, the last time we updated our mobile delivery user interface was back in 2017 when we launched the first version of our mobile delivery for Android. Now, since then, we've added a ton of functionalities and features into the mobile delivery app, but the user interface have largely stayed the same. Now, with this update, our product design team have done an amazing job in bringing the functionality and the usability and the user interface into the modern standards of today, while keeping all the features that our users use and love. And the best part about it is that mobile delivery can now be used in Android phones. That's right, for the first time ever, we're bringing our mobile delivery with all its features and functionalities that are available on the tablet version to be available in Android phones. And that is a game changer. So there you have it, my personal top 5 delivery related enhancements or features that we released in 2023. Which one was your favorite? Please do let us know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more, please do scan this QR code and it will take you to our demo center page. You can sign up for an account and you can watch in-depth videos of our software in action. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you'll be informed of any future videos that we release. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.